Welcome back to Product Critique, where we uncover the best finds in the market. Today, we're diving into one of the most sought-after sweet chili sauces out there. Yes, you guessed it right, it's the sweet ginger chili sauce. Known for its tantalizing blend of sweet red peppers, fiery ginger, and just the right amount of chili heat, this sauce promises to elevate your culinary creations to the next level. Let's talk about what makes this sauce stand out. It's inspired by the exotic spice markets of the Far East, combining the sweetness of red peppers with the zing of ginger and chilies. Whether you're using it as a marinade, a dipping sauce, or even as a glaze, its versatility makes it a kitchen essential. The consistency is perfect, not too runny, not too thick. It coats evenly and delivers a burst of flavors in every bite. Plus, it's crafted with quality ingredients that ensure a premium taste experience. You can get creative with this sauce. Use it as a marinade for pork tenderloin. Stir it into a stir-fry for a delightful twist, or simply dip your favorite appetizers in it. The possibilities are endless. Now, let's talk about what goes into this bottle of deliciousness. The sweet ginger chili sauce boasts a blend of high-quality ingredients sourced from trusted suppliers. You can taste the authenticity in every spoonful, knowing it's crafted with care and expertise. The ginger adds a refreshing note while the red peppers provide that vibrant color and natural sweetness. It's a harmony of flavors that reflects its roots in Asian culinary traditions. From appetizers to main courses and even creative desserts, this sauce adds that extra flair that transforms ordinary meals into extraordinary dining experiences. That concludes our deep dive into the sweet ginger chili sauce. If you've tried it, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you haven't, I highly recommend giving it a try. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews like this one on Product Critique. Until next time, happy cooking!